Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, March 24th. This is David, and let's take a look at Apple, which has had a really nice run up from the start of the year and is not too far off of its highs of the year made earlier this week. And so the question is, can it continue? I do think short-term looks at the market are probably the best right now. It is a little trickier to gauge trends on a longer term basis, but so long as we can see this name continue to hold support on a short term basis and work its way higher, then it can keep that trend intact. And to gauge those levels, I want to come in and use these micro voodoo lines. So we finished the week pretty much right at, just barely above, this 160 and 12 cent level. This is a micro voodoo fire line. The next one up is at 166 and 24 cents. These are the most important levels. And so if we were going to struggle on a short-term basis to get through here, it wouldn't be crazy to see a move back to retest 158.67 or 157 and 78 cents. Those are the third degree levels, the snow lines below there. And of course, coming down from Wednesday's high, we ran into one of those snow lines, right? Ran into resistance at snow lines above. But so long as these mostly keep things intact, then Apple can forestall a retest of 156.33, right? Resistance until we climbed above it. One of our second most important tree line levels. The other was support down here at basically 154, right? So look, so long as any rejection from 160.12 finds support nearby, keeps the focus upwards, and of course support rather than prior resistance at these small levels above will indicate that on a subsequent push, Apple was trying to push away from 160 and 12 cents to the upside, as opposed to getting resistance below, levels below, which would at least cancel the move up for now. So that's what I'll be watching in this name to see if it's on track to continue upwards. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.